What's up, guys? Crypto Savvy here. Today we're going to take a look at Litecoin, look at a couple key areas and see where we might be headed. Also, I want to thank everybody for subscribing. I reached my goal of 200 subscribers. My next goal is 500, and as promised, within the next week or so, I'll be coming on live. So make sure you tick the little bell. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Tick the little bell. You'll be notified when I post videos or go live. I'm going to have some give outs here within the next week or two. I still got to figure out the live chat. So as soon as I figure that out, I'll be getting on live and I'll do some kind of giveaway. So, all right. With that being said, let's get into the charts.
1, 2, 3, jump!
All right, guys. As always, before I begin, I want to start out by saying I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And this is only my opinion and my view of the market only. Anybody that's doing any investing or any trading in this market, I suggest you do your own due diligence because this market can be extremely volatile. And with that being said, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe, tick the little bell, give it a thumbs up, and leave any comments after you're done watching the video. Let me know what you think, and let me know what you think if we're going up or going down. Let's take a look at the charts here. This is the 4-hour. This is the falling wedge I've had drawn here. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, kind of look at where we're at right now. And if you look, we had broken above this 33 resistance here. Let me zoom in a little bit so we can see what we're looking at. We had broken above the $33 resistance, and came back down. It looked like it might have held as support, and now we've broken down under it. But we still have, I've drawn a support line here, which is kind of a channel here going up, and it seems, you know, we've come off the bottom, hit the top, back down to the bottom. And just something for you guys to look at. I wanted to show you real quick on these flag poles. So you can see this is considered a bull flag. So is this one over here. And if you measure the flag poles on those, and the flag pole would be right here. You take that flag pole and you put it at the breakout. And this one obviously went a little higher. This gives you a rough estimate of how high it's going to go. If we measure this one here, and then here's the flag, bring it over here, put it where it broke out. And as you see, we hit right on here. And I believe that may be what's going to happen here. And I believe if we do pop out of this and back up over the 33, then, you know, there's a good possibility that the 33 is going to hold as support. And again, I'll move this over here. I believe we're going to probably come back down and touch the bottom of this channel again, and then break up and maybe pop the top of this channel again. That's what I'm looking at now. And this is very rounded right here. It looks to be bullish, but we do have to watch the bottom of this channel here. If we break down from here, I believe our next stop is going to be right around in this area right here, around the $30.50 range. And that is the bottom of this. So you hear that would be the bottom of this rising wedge here. As you can see, we have 2 touches right down here, 1 over here. There's 3 touches to verify this line. And then we have the 3 touches here, 1 over here, 1 here, and 1 here. And this verifies the top line as of now. But I do believe, you know, we have a chance of continuing on up and at least coming up to test this $36 support. And again, this is just my opinion. This is not financial advice. So please do your own due diligence. I'm just showing you my view of the market. And as I showed you before a little bit ago, let's look at this one more time with the flagpole measurement. Put it back down in here. Up. And right up to this, where is that? About 34.75 area is a resistance area right here. As you can see, it was resistance right here, and the 36 up here is another resistance. But this isn't a very strong resistance, I don't believe, so there's a good chance that once we get up here, we may pop through it and head up to the 36. You know, if we get up here and bounce around a little bit and maybe pop up in here, and this could be over the next day, 2 or 3. This 36 is going to be the tough one to break. As you can see, it was resistance right here, right here, right here. And if we go all the way back in the charts, I'm sure we would find the same thing. So anyways, I believe that we have a good chance at least to get into this 34.75 area. But like I said, I'm still kind of bullish as we go further, as long as we don't break this bottom of this channel here. That's really about it. I do want to look at the RSI real quick. In the daily RSI, get over here, and the same thing. It looks like a rising, widening, or rising, broadening wedge. And that's another thing to watch. If you open up your RSI, put it in the daily, and draw these 2 trend lines here, and you know, keep an eye on that. If we break this bottom one, you know, I believe that's going to be a sell-off there, and that probably would bring us down to the bottom of this wedge here, this rising wedge. That's about it for today. Really not a whole lot to talk about until we, you know, get moving again. Been kind of slow and boring in the market. That's really why I haven't posted any videos. So with that being said, if you would please click the subscribe button above my head, the Crypto Savvy logo, and then tick the little bell to get notified when I post videos. Also, if you could, give it a thumbs up, and please leave comments if you have any. Let me know what you think, if you think we're going up or down from here. All right, have a good night. Appreciate it, guys. Bye.